Hello everyone, Origami here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the origami devil mask. So this is what it looks like. It's from Jun Maekawa's book, Genuine Origami, 43 Mathematically Based Models from Simple to Complex. And if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description where you could do so. So this is, as I said before, this is the origami devil mask. That's a really cool model. I suggest you keep watching to find out how to make it. So just for reference, I will compare it to a pack of bicycle playing cards so you can see the size. And to get this size, you're going to want to use a 6-inch piece of origami paper like I have here. So let's get right to it. Alright, so step 1 is to fold the diagonals. So the way you do that is bring the right side of the paper down to the left side here, and then make a fold. And sorry if my voice sounds a little bit weird. I do have kind of a bit of a cold, so that's why probably only one video will be uploaded this week, for those who are wondering. But who knows, I might get better and upload a few more. So, step 2 is to fold the left side down like this, and fold the other diagonal. Okay, so once you do that, turn over the paper, and now fold the paper in half by bringing the right side to the left side, like this. And unfold, and then bring the top to the bottom and fold. Unfold. So now you want to turn the paper back over, and you're going to want to push in the center while bringing this in to the center line here, fold out, and fold back in, and then fold out again. So this is the waterbomb base, and I do have a video from my Origami Back to Basics series in which I detail how to make this, so I'll put an annotation, say right there, where you can find out how to do this in more detail. So from now on, I'm going to assume that you know how to do the waterbomb base. So next, you're going to want to bring the bottom edge and line it up with this edge here, kind of like this. It may look a little bit tricky, but I'll show you again if you don't get it the first time. You're going to line it up, line this edge, the first layer of this edge, up to this line here, and then fold over like this, so it's even. And then you're going to want to line this right edge up to this edge here. And then fold over completely like this. So you may have to rewind the video a few times to find out how to do that. No problem. It's pretty easy once you find out how to do it. So once you do that, you're going to want to fold up until you hit the end of the obtuse triangle you made, like this. Just fold up, make sure everything's lined up along the edge. And then do a fold. So once you do that, unfold, and then fold 2 layers over, so 1 and then 2, keeping the fold in the middle. And you're going to want to do the same. So the way you do that is fold up. Well, not the same, sorry. You're just going to want to fold it out like this. So it's like this. And then stand up both of the layers. So it kind of looks like a butterfly, like this. And then you're going to want to squash fold this. Squash fold the center. So the way, and then you flatten the model out like this. I'll show you. Squash fold and just flatten everything out. Okay, like that. And then what you want to do is completely unfold. So do that by just bringing everything down like that. And then what you want to do is bring the tip, and I'll highlight it so it's easier to see. Let's see. Bring the tip and fold the tip down so it lines up with these 2 corners right here, and I'll show you. So it lines up with those 2 corners. So fold down like this. And then you want to fold like a bird base. And if you don't know how to make the bird base, I'll also leave another annotation there where you can check that out. So a bird base is where you petal fold like this, along the pre-existing creases on both sides like this. And just pinch. And then you have this. And this may look confusing, but if you go check out the bird base video, I'm sure you'll understand what I'm doing here. So let's try that. So once you have that, you want to open it up. Open up the paper. And then it's not quite even in the back for me, but it's okay. And then fold along the lines here and the other side. They're already there, so you'll see them. And then just flatten everything out. So you have this. Now what you want to do is fold these tips here to the center right there. So the center is right here where the 2 pieces of paper meet in the center. Like that. And here you go. So the way you do that is fold like this. Let's do a fold. Take the other one and do a full fold like that. So now what you want to do is fold this tip down so it's connecting the 2 corners here, just kind of like the other bird base fold we did earlier. So I'll just highlight the points right here. Just fold down. Then you unfold, and then you do the full bird base fold like you did before. So you unfold and line everything up to the center. Like this. And it's okay if it's not perfect, because this point won't really matter that much. But try to make it as perfect as you can. Line it up to the center. this, and there you go. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is fold from this corner in the center to this corner down here in a line like this. So I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see, you're just going to fold out like this. And do the same with the other side. Folding out, connecting the two corners. And so once you do that, unfold, and then fold the tip right there to this middle line right here. Just fold and do the same with the other side. So once you do that, you're going to want to take this corner here and fold it along the line right there. So like this. And then do the same with this side here. Fold it along like this. Trying to keep this piece of paper, this triangle right here, in place so it doesn't mess up how the paper is lined up. Rotate and do the same with the other side right here. So fold it along right there. And then the same with the other side. Like right there. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to want to fold this back completely along the fold already pre-existing. So this may look a bit complicated, but you will easily find the fold right there. So you fold it back, reversing the already folded paper like that. And then you have this. So now you want to fold over in half completely along the center. Like this. And so it looks like I'm going to have to stop it for part 1. So this has been part 1 of how to make the origami devil mask. So stay tuned for part 2. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.